Here I have OnePlus 3 and let me show you how to reset system data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon. Let's open the settings, scroll down to the end of the list and choose backup and reset. Select factory data reset. And now let me just erase the system data, so accounts info, contacts, apps data. Let me leave erase internal storage disabled. Let me don't use this key right here. So let me just perform some kind of the factory reset operation, but let me leave the music, photos, videos and other personal data on my device. So let me just reset the system data. As I said before, let's choose reset phone, tap erase everything button, and right now the device is performing resetting system data. Let's just wait a couple of seconds until it will be ready to use. Excellent. As you can see, the welcome panel pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. You just erase the system data, but you will leave the personal data such as the music, photos, etc. on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.